Guys, this is Wisdom Forex Academy. Uh, I am here to inspire you. You understand? It has been a long time. This kind of trading tips. Have you? The question goes this way: have you ever asked yourself, uh, maybe there's a particular trade, luckily you picked it, you continue placing trade, and it's also going your way as your placing trade is going, as your placing trade is going. Have you ever wondered why it is like that? Now, if you have ever wondered why it's like that, it means you are you are very closer to your success. Now, in trading, we have what we call continuation. We have what we call reversal. Do you understand me? You want to make it in trading. I think you should be looking for continuation. Then, but when you are talking about reversal, reversal is not bad to pick reversals, but it's always very short pips. Mm. But if you are looking for a market that as you are dropping positions and they are in, you can use $100 to make $3,000. That is fine. It is extremely possible. Understand now? Because when the train, perhaps you have monthly train is a buy, weekly train buy, you have a daily train is buy, then 4 hours and the rest of them. Then you have continuation strategy means it means that you are continuing the buy trend, you are not selling it. uh, the trend overall is green, means all trend is up already. Then what you are doing currently, you are picking a setup on what we call continuation strategy, which means you are following up the actual trend, that is a buy trend. So you are going to make massive money. I said massive money. If you have such opportunities in on gold, you understand, you are going to make massive money. There's some people that will just trade from have reversal, they just enter. They don't. Now it is I my on my own way. I rather wait for a good market, mm, that can help me turn $1,000 to 50,000 or to $100,000 than picking any trade that comes. I pick. Yet still I will not be able to meet up $100,000. So if I use one trade to make such amount of money, mm, it means I am following the trend. Then we call it trend trading. mm. You are following what institutions are doing, you are following them back to back. But when you trade against them, mm, that's when you say, some people say, 1:2, 2:3, all those nonsense. Now you pick five trades, you have already uh, agreed in your mind that you are going to make, three will be successful and one will be losses. What about the two that you have losses? The losses is greater than the profit you have made in the three. If you want to be profitable in 2024, this year like this, mm, it is not important, it is not a must that you must pick trade every day. It is not important that you must pick trade every month. But what is important is that one trade that will buy you Lamborghini, that one trade that will buy you anything you had in mind. That is the trade that we are talking about. One trade, mm, that can take you to the next level. Just one trade. With that one trade comes, then you have good account size. With risk management, you make a lot of money. Just one trade. So gone are the days that I pick any trade. It is a short sell, I enter. Most times it will not even really drop the way I wanted. So far be I don't do such a thing. So if you want to be consistent, sit down to ask yourself. Uh, like one of my mentee, he was telling me turn $100 to $1,000 on gold. Fine, it is possible, extremely possible. You know how gold is volatile, extremely possible. If you are picking it on the train favors you. The market was on a steady trend. Maybe you got the setup on a continuation strategy and the train was a buy train. It was a buy train and you are getting the setup on the buy train. It means the market can sell you, can be up for 17 weeks or 15 weeks on a buy. So what you are going to see there is that as you are putting more positions, they are entering profit. As you are dropping, they are entering profit. That is what you will be seeing. You place 0.5 pram as just you are on profit. 0.10 as you are placing your market. That is how it's going, because it's what is driving it is the trend. You understand now? I I made some trades last month. You understand now? That was a continuation strategy. Now, that was a strategy that uh, you can make billions of naira. Let me show you. Let me just get to the WhatsApp group first, so that you see. I want you to understand what I am saying. Okay. Now look at it here. Let's look at. Okay, this was Eurocard, Eurocard, the one that I just traded recently, which I made how much? Although it was not much, but at least you see the Wisdom Okafo. You see the account, this live account from FX Live Capital. You understand now? So that was it. That was the account. You understand now? This is the type of trade I am talking about. Yeah. Then let's say last month I was trading CAD JPY. Look at CAD JPY. Now you see what happened. I didn't. I was not. I'm not the type of trader that compounds trade anyhow. There are levels, psychological levels that I enter my trade to avoid reversal. As you say, you will not see much reversal. What you'll be seeing, you see consolidation and upward movement, consolidation and upward. So you see the way I was entering my market: first entry, second entry, third entry, fourth entry. The market was still going because I was on the right train. Do you understand now? Then you look at USD JPY, the same thing. Let me show you on the charts. So these are the kind of market you make such money. Not you enter market before 2 hours you are off the market, man. You enter market before you are off the market. That's not how to trade. So it's better like Eurocard, the one I had. I closed the trade on Friday, last week Friday. Okay, now if you look at the weekly trend, you see that we can identify that the market is uptrend on weekly trend. Have you seen it now? You see, we had first touch, we had second touch here, we had third touch here. Now, if we should want to go down, move, go down to daily, we're going to see the same thing happening here. Now, you see that. Let me draw this line here. Let me draw the trend line. That is it. You see that even on daily, we had a touch here, first touch here, we had the second touch, we had the third touch. Do you understand now? Now, if we should still go down to 4 hours, you're going to see. I am using a phone to do this analysis, but what you are going to see now, you see this massive drop. Let me bring these tools out. Let me use these tools. All right, now use these tools. Now, if you see that the market gave me this massive drop after we had first touch, second touch, third touch on from weekly, and we also had it on daily. But on 4 hour, market gave me this fine drop, just this massive drop. Then after the massive drop, you see what happened? Market gave us W formation. So you need to understand how to go about this market. So this is the W formation. That is the nose. If you don't know how to trade more, you are a newbie, you can make use of the nose in your entries. But if you know what you know, this way you pick your markets, or even here. Do you understand me? So you see, the market on weekly gave us a 3 touch, confirming my trend. I taught you guys how to mark your charts, how to identify trend, using it with TDI indicator, right? So then after you have done that, when you come down to smaller time frame like 4 hours, you are going to have this massive drop. This is what we are looking out for. This massive drop here is the drop we are looking out for. Now, at the end of this massive drop, it's going to give you W formation. It's going to give you W formation. So now we make use of this market. I was here and the market gave me. I had multiple entries. When you see consolidation, that was where I was that was how I was having my entries. You understand? If I want to really make more money, I could have been no, as market is going, I am putting more position, I'm putting more, but that's not the proper way of trading. So you look for psychological level. There are levels that market respect. So you make use of that level and you put more positions. So we had also let's look at that USD JPY. Let's look at USD JPY. Like I said before, look for this massive drop. Now, after the massive drop, I told you that the market will do what? Give you W formation. This massive drop. Understand? That's the market. Then after the massive drop, what do we have here? We have first leg, second leg, third leg. Remember, we have three types of W. We have the normal W here. We have this other one, long leg, short leg. We have the one that we have short leg and long leg. So what we're having here, we're having long leg and short leg. Understand? This is the one we're having. Do you understand now? After that, we move the market upward. See, this is the kind of market I'm talking about in 4 hours time frame. The market is still uptrend because when you look at from monthly, just try and draw those trend line like I showed to you guys. You are going to discover that this market, if you are using system to mark the charts, you're going to see that this market is a long-term market. So then let's look at even weekly. You see that weekly this market is an uptrend. Go and do your homework. Go do your homework. Do your homework. We're going to see that this market is uptrend market. So in uptrend markets, we make use of the opportunity to make massive money. Not just enter market. Market will be giving consolidation, entering profit and come out, and you are just there waiting for no. If you are having one trade in a month, it is better than losing money. The money you are losing is even bigger than the money you make. So what you do is that start doing more research, keep your accounts ready, get the knowledge. And when you get the knowledge, go back to your chart. You are going to see it. Then use small. You are going to see that you can now make use of a small money. Use small money to make massive money. Do you understand? Use small money to make massive money. Just be able to identify if we are having downward movement, that is selling market. What you are going to do, look for continuation on a bearish trend. Look for a continuation strategy on a bearish trend. Make massive money. Follow up what institutions are doing. If you want to buy market, look for opportunity, look for continuation strategy on a bullish trend. You make money. It is not a must that you must trade every day. Forex traders, does not matter the level you are, if you are a professional, you are whatever you are. I am telling you the truth. You are not to trade every day. So just put it in your mind that you want to you are trading just to pay yourself salary. Listen, salary is always being paid every month. So in the month, if you have more than 5 setup, thank God, you are going to make bloody money. But if you have just one, know that one that you have gotten pays you your salary, massive salary. Do you understand now? We also have here CAD JPY. This way the market I'm talking about. CAD JPY. Where are you? Where are you? CAD JPY. Okay. Let me look for it and bring out. CAD JPY. JPY. CAD JPY. This guy is not here. Are you sure? Okay, look at him here. CAD JPY. You're gonna see just the same thing. Look at it there. Remember, we're looking for this massive move. After the massive move, you are going to see W formation, people of God. W formation. This is the first leg, short leg, and off it goes. You understand? You see, you can see that we have the same thing over and over, over and over. Yeah. Look for the massive drop. Before the massive drop, I think you should be able to mark your levels. From weekly, mark your levels. Go down to daily. Try to identify your trend. Try to identify your trend. Go down to daily also. Try to identify your trend. Understand? After doing that, come down to 4 hours and look for the massive drop. After the massive drop, the next confirmation you are looking out for, market giving you the formation. Low of the day, high of the day. In high of the day, we are looking out for M formation. In low of the day, we are looking for W formation. You understand? Those are the things you need to look at and consider. Understand? Then you make a profitable trade, even if it is once a week. Then, which means you will be able to be profitable long term. You understand? So, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that it is not compulsory that you must trade every day. Hmm? The best thing to do, the best way to trade is trade what you see. Trade what you see. If you have not seen the setup that you are always trading, forget about the market. But if you want to be a highly profitable trader that can turn $1,000 to $50,000, you need to trade with the trend. Always always try your best to identify uptrend and continuation strategy on a bullish trend, continuation strategy on a bearish trend. I am giving you top knowledge. Do you understand? So, if you are able to do that, then success awaits you. You understand now? So, if you want to learn it very fast, you get yourself registered in our school, Wisdom Forest Academy. That's where we teach you the practical form, the practical way of it, and so many stuff that we following it. That strategy, I call it 4.2 strategy. That's a strategy you need to learn. You will see everything in reality. There's knowledge behind it and everything that you need to know for you to be able to see it. Guys, this is Wisdom Force Academy. I want you to like and subscribe. You understand? The purpose for you to subscribe is so that whenever I drop good content, you should be able to see it immediately and try to see how you can practicalize it. You understand? Nobody knows everything, but make use of the opportunity you see. You understand? All what we are praying for profitability, consistency. You understand? From the time that you have that consistency, the sky can never be your limit. I was looking for it so many years ago. I put it to work. I involve hard work to it. Now today I am proud to say that I don't just enter market and start trading here. When I enter my chart, look at my chart, I know what I am looking out for. I know why I am going there. Now if I don't see what I want, I relax. I go and do whatever I need, whatever any other thing that I have to do. It is not the must that I must play straight. You understand, guys? So subscribe to this channel and follow up for more tips. Please, when you learn something, when you hear somebody say something of this nature, as a smart guy, as a smart guy, what you need to do is to start doing research, ask questions, do research, and you are going to get it right. This is your boy Wisdom. See you later. Bye bye.